Hello, I am Elena, and today we are gonna sew together a catsuit. You can use either a serger or a sewing machine as long as your machine has a stretch stitch. Transfer the notches from the pattern to the fabric. Pin and sew center front from crotch to the neckline. Do the same for the center back. If you are using a sewing machine, choose the stretch stitch. Now unfold them, bring the front and back parts together and pin from ankle to armpit following the notches. Sew and repeat for the other side. Now pin from ankle to crotch to the other ankle and sew. If you are using a sewing machine, you can then carefully trim unwanted fabric. Fold and pin the neckline at 1 cm. Then sew using a double needle. If you are not familiar using a double needle, please check our other tutorial how to sew a bodysuit. I will leave a link below. Repeat for the hem and the armpits. Measure the armpits so that they have the same width. And your catsuit is ready. Enjoy!